traders, today I want to tell you more about time frames, and as a bonus I want to show you my private strategy and how to use it correctly. Subscribe and we'll start the video. So we're already on the pocket option. Here we are. Where trade and my team, we set the deal amount $100 at the moment. Our balance is almost $20,000 and we trade on Consequence. In trading, we'll use my private strategy, 2 indicators, moving average, and we see these 2 indicators. I'll demonstrate you my parameters of these 2 indicators. First amount, it will be 5 seconds. Time frame will set 30 seconds on the chart. This time with change our candles, and the chart will specifically the same. We open deal because we on the 5 seconds. Let me tell you about this. We see these points where we opened and we trade for fall and closed with a plus. By moving over, we see lower chart, and by this indicator we see lower position and the chart is below this. It's a very important situation. We see everything's quite simple. We combine 2 indicators and we also like to change technical analysis. We see 15 seconds, the time of our deal, and we move on to the second concept. Here we'll also analyze after closing our deal. We open for down deal and we see the shadows are quite large. The upper position of the candle is very 4 seconds of our deal. We see this plus deal, and we go on. Let me do some analysis. If you're struggling to understand trading indicators or disappointed with the results, you're probably losing money. My free trading team is here to help you. Every day I share trading signals that you can copy manually or automatically by connecting to my social trading. I'm always ready to help you at every step. If you need to make $50 or even more, $1,000 per day, join my Telegram group now and you'll find interesting stories of new buys and real results. The number of places is limited, so do not miss the chance. Join today and start your profitable trading. We see by moving average upper position, but the volume of candles is red. We see these shadows. It was upper position. It means they are putting pressure on the chart from the top to bottom, and this indicates a general downward trend. The volume shows candles. The volume of candles must also be taken into account. We see up. This picture of the indicators we see on our chart. I'll show you where the peaks were and where the drawdowns were. Well, everything is quite simple. We go to the 30 seconds and move on to the third concept. Here we are, opening deals here on the third concept, and let's do some analysis. The global trend is upward. For the increase, the green candles are quite confident, especially no such shadows here when opening the trade. But the second indicator will also have upward trend. I've highlighted most of them. Upward trend by Williams, our second indicator. And 2 seconds left. Excellent. It closes in plus. Yeah, good. Strategy works. You see it. Concepts, 3 concepts closed in the plus. And I want to more tell about my Telegram channel. All the deals you'll find there. The link is in the description. you can just copy my trades and use it in your trading, because it's very correct, it's very simple, so to say. And we see that consequence, I trade almost all the time in consequence, and the link to my Telegram channel is in the description, I remind you. So go on. And meanwhile we on the fourth concept, support area, we see resistance area, and we go to the support area, day to down, red candles, we see the volume is quite good, we go straight downtrend, we see on our chart, we see by our second indicator drawdown after the this after green zone on our chart, so to say. Drawdown is going on, 10 seconds left until the end of our deal. We see 2 seconds. Yeah, great, the deal was closed into plus $192, and we have $20,000 already. So let's summarize the strategy. Works, we see, you see it, we use time frames, and I advise you to do it like 30 seconds. Also, I want to tell you, by the way, you can watch, I also review different strategies. You can find the link in the description to my Telegram channel. My recommendation, I repeat, it's for time frames, it's 30 seconds or minutes. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video.